Hi, I'm Paul. I'm the customer service guy over at NOBL Wheels, and this is my Santa Cruz Nomad. A couple things I really like about this bike. Death grips are awesome for my giant hands, nice and soft, lots of traction. Hope brakes are incredible, zero fade, lots of stopping power. I've never had an issue with having to bleed them at any point in time. Tires, Assegai front, the most traction I've ever had. No leaks, no flats, nothing. Fox Kashima coat suspension all around. Definitely supports a guy at my weight, about 210 pounds. So if anybody else is in that range, I would recommend this stuff very highly. Lastly, my TR38s. Same thing with the new 2019 layup. They're super compliant. I've got these things set up in a 28 hole with D-Light spokes. They're absolutely amazing.